So Arhan just mentioned, which was a very good thing. So last year, before El Clasico, we had a deal between Mehak and Arhan that if whoever loses is going to wear the other person's jersey for, I don't know how long we decided this, but then towards the end, both of them,
one day.
I think Mehak or I don't know Arhan who backed out, someone backed out. And then they were like, nahi karna. And then
Arhan backed out. I did not because he thought he would lose.
Yeah. I was very underconfident.
Yeah.
इतना faith नहीं है टीम पे.
The thing is, Camp Nou में मैच था और मेरी गांड फटी पड़ी थी क्योंकि बहुत मिक्स सीजन था तभी भी. Every time we have a mixed season and then we go out and kill it.
But I couldn't even find my Barcelona jersey for today. It's that sad.
Just like you didn't find goals in the match. Woo! I'm gonna do this today, guys. Today we defeated PSG.
Harsh, I have class at 4:30, so I have never been happier to have a class.
See, Mehak. It's okay. The truth, you might have a class, but you will still wake up and sleep with the fact that you couldn't win the game. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. I'm not going to say anything.
I'm so glad I don't live with any of you anymore.
At home, not even like away. At home. That hurts, dude. That stings like a bitch when you lose at home. Yeah.
Nakul, please help me. And Rishabh too.
हर्ष तो घर पे ही बहुत गंदा आ गया मतलब 6 months.
Dude, dude, the worst part is I don't know why even I signed up for that game after review. It was such a bad, anyway. That Tottenham game, I don't even want to go there. What a bad time. But the thing is, a good comeback after that. But yeah, Mehak, you can't do anything.
It's worse when United fans come and tell you we understand than when Real Madrid fans actually bash you.
Exactly. That's why I put the thing up that I feel so blessed. That's why I was saying that is.
I hate messages from Harsh.
We get that. That's why I'll ghost everyone when United is losing, and I'll come back and I'll text everyone when United is doing a little bit fine, just to prove a point.
Yeah, I think last year we watched that Champions League game where Barcelona beat United. And then after that, the Liverpool game happened. And I was so sad that I had troubled all of these people before.
क्या मजा आया था मैं हर एक गोल के बाद मैक को कॉल किया मैंने. 4th goal तक she did not pick up my call.
She was crying. No, Rishabh didn't pick up a call when we called him रात को. But Mehak picked up. She was crying, dude. And we were fucking her case. Like, what happened? What happened, dude? Liverpool. And the thing is, I wouldn't do this on any other day. Okay, but because Barcelona lost that to Liverpool, I was like, dude, you have to do this. It's such a great night. And I think we slept so well listening to Mehak cry. I think it was a great night overall.
Oh my god!
Because we were having a bad season, and I was like, finally, I have something to talk about. Like, I'm not going to hide now. This is my time to show up. And every Barcelona game was like discussion.
Madrid's 2018-19 season का highlight वही है ना तुम लोगों का, that Barcelona lost.
हाँ.
So bad.
Barcelona's highlight of 2019-20 season was Joel Gamper Trophy, of course, the only trophy that comes back to Camp Nou every year.
And we got a trophy. That's all I care about at this point. We were.
चलो भाई सोच अगर लेगानेस जाके जीत गया वो तो क्या लेगानेस नहीं कौन who plays
like no it's invite based, it's very random. There was Boca Juniors, then Arsenal, and then they lowered their standards, and the trajectory of how they have been lowering their standards, probably next year we might have Real Madrid for the Gamper Trophy.
I want this because हारने के बाद इतना मुफट कॉन्फिडेंस सिर्फ बार्सिलोना फैंस के पास होता है. If I lose, I'll be like, ठीक है dude, तुम जीत गए, whatever.
But Arhan, that was a crazy burn. That was a great one.
That was good. That was good.
Leading right now. We are 1-0 up right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
cannot
mean,
hear-
this is the only season where you'll be 1-0 up in these kind of scenarios. Otherwise, Messi not scoring from open play. You have lost another trophy before you can win it. Messi's top scorer award. Now you can't even say that Messi is carrying the team because Ansu Fati is carrying the team right now. So I think you have a lot of issues to deal with.
So we can have like a serious thing for like 10 minutes to discuss the match and all, and the next 10 minutes we can literally spend roasting. Because I think that should be the highlight of El Clasico. So
Do we have, wait, like I want to ask all, do you have stuff to say for like 10 minutes about?
I have. I don't know if anyone else has. I
I'm not
have.
asking you.
We don't want to listen to Arhan.
I have 45 minutes.
कोई
I have
बात नहीं
45
कर रहे.
minutes. I have 45 minutes from the second half of the game. So I can talk as much as I want.
But
Yeah,
then
I
again, I
don't
have to
know.
talk about Fati. How good is he though? 17 years
And
old.
even
Good trophy to
Dest
win.
was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dest
Yeah, he
was
was
really
good.
good.
At
Yeah.
least
So too, I think.
some good takeaways. Like I also felt
After the
like
game-
whatever said and done, at least like the players didn't look defeated. Like as in for the first time I thought they wanted to play in a very, very long time. Like and I've stopped giving those expressions.
I mean, they
I have
sent
some positive
sent
takeaway
Dest-
from the match.
okay,
Let it be.
None of the 4 captains or a senior player came for the press conference, the post-match thing. They sent Dest, who's playing his first ever Clasico, to answer to the press. कि हमारी गांड लगी है. But मतलब that just shows कि तुम्हारी कितनी मतलब क्या ही their whole every Barcelona fan had the same reaction. हाँ मैच हार गए but Dest and Fati they played really well. Youngsters, like
Yeah,
youngsters are
there has
showing.
because
to
the
be
difference is we can say that players played well instead of the VAR playing well. So we have players.
VAR,
That is yes.
I'll tell you the justification for VAR. Okay. Thing is,
have our own, we should have our own scorecard over here. We should put
yeah.
right now Barcelona's 2-0 run. Little.
I have 3 advantage from before. So does that count? Or are we
Not
starting
too late.
fresh because
It's
it's
one leg game.
Oh.
Arey, no, but it was
Are
very
you sure it's a
surprising.
1-leg game? Because you're not too good with 1-leg games. It happened last time.
See, we're not good with one leg
August
games, 2 leg games.
August
It doesn't
15th.
matter in the end.
No, I was just saying that it was super surprising that for the first time in so many years that most of our players were below like 23, 22 in a squad where we had 3 teenagers playing or 2 teenagers playing. There was Fati, Dest, and Pedri. Pedri is 17.
Oh, yeah. Pedri is
Yeah,
17.
which was pretty incredible. And to see, I mean, Griezmann and Dembele sitting out was a joy, honestly.
That's so true.
Yeah.
Rishabh messaged me at the start of the game. So did a lot of 3-4 other Barcelona fans who I was talking to continuously during the point of the match. And yeah, that was fun.
I only talk to Barcelona fans during a Barcelona game mostly. So that
Fuck you. You called me. You called me to ask
because
me.
I wasn't able to find a link to the game
Oh,
at
yeah.
my Facebook.
Ask me as well.
My Facebook stream just stopped, and I was
Yeah,
just like, "Oh my god!"
Mac wasn't able to find the link to the game. Barcelona wasn't able to find the link
I
to the
knew
match.
this.
It was just quite difficult.
But I think the first half was a really good match also.
It was very 50-50. I'd give
Yeah.
that to Barcelona. I mean, that's the only thing I'll give to Barcelona. That one half they played. Otherwise, it's been shit.
See, if the
compared
game
to-
was for like 45 minutes, then I think we would have a chance. But then I think we
होगा ना 1-1 चांस क्या है उसमें वो चांस भी गया तुम्हारा हो गया 45 minutes.
एक point तो मिलता.
I think a lot of people said that we are, but the point is, see, all these years when Barcelona used to have their play acting issues and all of the shit that they pulled off during the course of a match, now
Irony.
VR is catching all of that.
Guys,
Now
irony
VR is catching all of that.
irony
How is
just
that irony?
died.
That's not irony.
Irony has
United
left the fucking
has-
chat.
I have
Farhan,
hardcore support.
fuck off.
Tell me about this. Do you?
She's saying no. So
I
don't.
don't want to bring United because we have a partnership with
No,
VAR.
not
I
United.
don't want to do this.
I'm talking about historical decisions like Van Persie being sent off against Barcelona, or Luis Suarez. Luckily, Luis Suarez wasn't playing today, but because of the dives and everything, we would have definitely conceded a penalty. But luckily, that didn't happen.
See, that way it's
Then,
even. We didn't have Suarez, you didn't have Ronaldo. Okay.
Ronaldo never. If after 13 years at no camp we are getting.
3-0.
Oh yeah,
he put
Ronaldo
one.
wasn't there to dive.
He put
Ronaldo
one.
wasn't there to dive, but Messi was doing it quite often. I saw that. Especially.
No.
Oh, Haran, what?
Messi diving is.
Which way?
I put it in my story. I put in my story. It's there in my story because I saw
Wait,
that.
let me see.
I caught it. I had proof. Not today. That day I put
Acha, no,
it.
it won't be
That day
there.
you didn't reply. That day you didn't reply. No. Now you want to reply. Huh? Now you want to see. I have it. There in my archived story.
Listen, like,
But again,
I think
if
Messi is
after
one
13
player
years,
who would prefer not diving over anything because
oh yeah, he would
looking at all his
score with a
compilations in the
handball.
past,
In a
no,
final.
looking at all the compilations, for example, I'm not sure if you guys have seen this video. It's a very famous video on YouTube called Messi's a Dog Never Dives.
yeah, sure to
It's
me.
like a 15
Best
to
video.
16 minute video where they have shown like miserable tackles on Messi and he still just wants to go ahead with the ball. Now,
Akul,
again,
can you do one thing?
I
Just send
actually
the
did send it to
Arhan-
these guys, but
Arhan
they didn't
Ronaldo
watch
को
it.
भेज देना, please.
Should I
उसको
send a
देख के
compilation
एक
of? Should I send the other video? Should I send the other video where Barcelona was cheating their way out of the games? I'll send it to all of them. I'll put a link on Instagram. I've tagged you also. You've never
We
replied.
are
to
talking
me.
about Messi diving right now.
I'm talking about in general. Messi handball bhi hai usme. In the final, if you remember, happened
Peak
against United
Real
only, no?
Madrid 2020 fan. They've reached this point where they're like Messi bhi
That's
dive
what.
kar.
That's
हाँ,
what.
करता है,
Yeah,
वो करता है,
exactly.
yeah.
That's where they've reached.
Now I'm mentioning
I mean, even
handball.
after winning a game, they're taking cheap shots like this.
it's like saying Ronaldo
Which don't
selfish
even
nahi
make
hai. This just does
Abhi
not
nahi hai,
make
abhi
sense.
nahi hai.
Any last words before we start doing real fire? Any last words from anyone? No, nothing.
I think the game was a good example of how mentally strong certain teams are and how mentally weak certain teams are. Because I mean, being honest, that's how it felt like. You can't be in a good position before a game. I mean, you can be, but the kind of differences that we had, the kind of losses that we had compared to Barcelona winning 4-0 and 5-0 against teams, that was quite surprising to me. Because me as a Madrid fan, even I was like, I don't think we are going to win. You know, either it's going to be 3-0, 4-0, 5-0, but we are going to lose somehow. But I mean, again, that's how it is. So I feel that
I don't think again this statement doesn't work in regard to this match because I don't think we were mentally weak. Like if you talk about mentally weak, I'd say like a Bayern game. This I really think
Yeah.
we were there in
Yeah.
the game. I mean, you won.
See,
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
in the game. No, like when you before the game, you were pretty good. I mean, technically, you were in a
We're
good
talking about
headspace,
pre-match form.
pre-match form, and then going into the match, you feel like there's certain things that are going to happen, which should have happened, but it didn't. For example, you know, Coutinho didn't have a great game necessarily. Someone like Coutinho didn't have a great game. Then or Konta, Longley, the whole snatching thing, the t-shirt snatching thing. I mean, that was something unnecessary. If you would have just left him alone, like just stayed with him alone, then I don't think the penalty would have been given as such. But I mean, it's a short pull. It's clear. You can't really say that VAR helped Madrid or something. It's just pointing out
Not on this
it's just
occasion.
VAR doing its job. VAR doing its job basically, where they are pointing out the things that the referee did not see and which was made available to the referee as piece of evidence कि हाँ ठीक है ऐसा हुआ है, and that's wrong play. Certainly with Messi tackle also that Casemiro made on him, the first tackle was on the ball, not on his feet. So I think those are the changing aspects of the game which have helped get the game more clearer decisions in the past. Like yes, VAR has been uh, biased at times, or not biased, but not used at the certain right points. But I feel, and particularly in this game, it was used perfectly after a very long time.
So you agree that previously all the times Real Madrid को जो VAR का decision मिला था वो गलत था?
I won't say that was wrong. I said particularly in this match in a
See,
Barcelona.
this game I agree. This game I agree that VAR was used well. Yeah, because then it also went to the ref. But also at the same time, uh, I don't know, Ramos going the other way, the shirt being pulled the other way is still a big discussion.
Technically, the first thing was the shirt being pulled. You can't do
shirt
that.
being pulled, which happens in the D box. I mean,
which happens in the
which
D box. But
Yeah,
if
it's a
it's being
contact
pointed
sport.
out, that's the whole point of the thing. That shirt pull is technically not allowed. Similarly, like
No,
we had a
shirt
goal
pull.
we had a goal ruled out against us in the last game against Shakhtar Donetsk. It was the final goal, third goal, which was cancelled. But
Which was
because
offside, right?
no, it wasn't offside. Basically, Vinicius was covering the line of the goalkeeper.
Yeah, he made a movement. His leg
He
moved.
made a movement.
So there was
like,
an
offside
which,
also, and
yeah,
that was also there. So it's
he
not
was
that it's just
being
in our favor, but it was a home game also. So it's not like it's something that's been used specifically to favor teams like Real Madrid. I don't think so. I think if it's the right call, it's the right call. If referees have been biased with Barcelona, which has been the case, me as a Madrid fan, I've seen it with David Villa. That whole 2009 to 2000 maybe 14 until David Villa was there or something. A lot of calls went against us, which weren't fair. And I was like, I wish there was a third umpire kind of a thing like we have it in cricket back
See,
then.
that way, a lot of times you would end up with 10 men with the way Pepe was playing.
And
The
we
kind
did
of
get the
tackles
card.
he
I mean,
used to
Ramos
make.
did get the card. Ramos
No,
is
no.
like,
I mean,
but
Pepe has gotten away with so much shit in the past. He would be banned from the sport.
It's the same with Suarez. It's the same with
Yeah.
Suarez. You could say,
nothing happens
Yeah.
to him.
Yeah,
he
again,
gets
it's
And,
VAR has
and
been-
like on ground referees and VAR, you also expect a different level of accuracy, right? Like if VAR decisions go against particular teams, it's really weird and sad because like that's why they're there.
but
Like referees
against,
must have made
it
so
goes
many
against-
misdecisions in the past.
They have, but that's the whole point of bringing in VAR is to avoid those kind of decisions because those are the decisions that change the game on its head. The Super Copa in 2018, if you have seen it, Ronaldo did not dive. Umtiti clearly brought him down. It's evident on the video. But still, he was sent off, and it was justified as to why he got pissed at the referee. He pushed the referee. Generally, when a player knows that he's dived, he wouldn't go like and push the referee and be like, what the fuck are you doing? But if he's genuinely being brought down by a player, and the referee seen that, then that clearly changed the course of the game. Good for Madrid, they still won it, but that could have just changed the game altogether. That's what I feel. And Koeman complaining about the penalty, it wasn't just. I mean, it wasn't the right spirit. You can't say that. The clear justification for Barcelona's loss was why were there substitutions after the 81st minute? Why wouldn't you bring in players before so that you can?
That's Koeman.
rejuvenate
That Dutch donut has no idea what he's doing.
Yeah, I mean, it's unfair to
Let's
call
not
out.
even
just
start
attack.
about him. He put in 5 strikers. There
Yeah,
were 5
5
strikers
strikers.
playing.
Yeah. His formation was 4-1-5.
Yeah.
He was like-
And Messi was playing midfield. Messi had to
Yeah,
play
Messi
midfield
was
in
that
between.
one.
Yeah.
Messi was one.
Ridiculous.
Rest of them were arguing. So I mean, you will need to look at those kind of
It's
decisions.
just,
as well.
yeah. Tactically,
with
we aren't
Barcelona, the
strong
issues are
either right now.
What did you say?
I'm saying tactically we aren't strong either because,
Yeah.
to be honest, we have been so used to playing the same 4-3-3 formation for the last 8 to 9 years that now with this sudden change, Messi is adapting to it. Other players around him are adapting to it, and we honestly have nothing going on right now in the game, to be honest.
That's
But I think like past games which I saw with the 4-2-3-1, I feel that Barcelona were much more exciting to watch in terms of their gameplay. They were quick.
Yeah,
they were
quick,
direct.
definitely.
The
They were
game
more
plan
direct.
also.
Definitely.
And that's a very modern kind of formation, modern day football that they were playing.
They
Because
just need to adapt faster to it.
yeah. Now tiki taka, the thing is, you've seen with Pep Guardiola, no one is scared of Manchester City this season. Barcelona was losing their edge continuously with that kind of football.
You need
but
the right players to carry
That's what you need the right players for that.
You need the
City
Xavis
does
and
have, in
Iniestas.
fact, but still it's not working. Yeah,
Hmm.
Javis and Iniesta.
And you
are
can't
like
just
once
keep
in a-
buying players. Like if you want to play a particular way, you also have to get them from the academy. Like you can't
Puig.
buy any players which are Puig. Oh my god, yeah.
He was supposed to go out on loan. Why didn't he go out on loan? He stayed, no? He was there in the.
Yeah,
He
he
was
was supposed
supposed
to
to
go
go
out
out.
on loan. I think it would just make things worse for Koeman. There was an entire
Yeah.
campaign against Puig going out in Spain. Everyone wanted him to stay. So, and things were already looking bad for Barcelona with their beautiful transfer decisions that they have been making. So yeah, but this time actually I've been happy with the transfer season, to be honest. We have got like
Compared.
Trincao, Pedri, and Dest, who have all been really good.
But I
so
think in
far.
terms of sales, it's been really sad. I think we sold like Suarez, Vidal, Rakitic
Yeah,
for
that
a
was
combined
bad.
price of 5 million. What? 5.
That was ridiculous.
absurd.
Selling them was
Absurd.
one thing. Selling them for cheap was another
Yeah.
bigger problem.
And
I
I was
was like,
surprised
Arsenal
it's
had like
428.
autumn clearance sale
428.
for some reason,
Oh.
and they just like, discount mein hai sab log 90% off. Just buy whoever the fuck you want.